Everybody, it's Kim. So I'm just going to tell you a little story while we get started on this pour. A few years ago, I wanted to make these resin pyramids, and I was living in with my mom at the time, and she got into the acrylic pouring. So this one here is mom doing her pour, and she was always really good at it. And mom passed away 2 years ago. She had the stage 4 cancer, and it just took her really quickly. But I had all this video that we had shot together that I never got to really put out. So now, that things have settled and life has moved on. I am here reviving using her stuff, her old video, I guess, because this is pre-COVID. So I'm going to say let's say 2019. So that's a little bit ago. So anyway, so that's my story of me and my mom. So some of these videos, they have different hands because it started with me and my mom, and then here I'm on my own doing it. And so anyway, so we're going to do this pour for you today. And so I'm just going to let you enjoy. She's just mixing up these colors here. And these are those Arteza colors using the Floetrol. I could never say it. And, she was very, very, very just flowy when it came to mixing the colors. Never really a plan, but sometimes a vision, right? So let's see what she's got for us.
So we want to see which is the better way. We want to go maybe this way to get the blue.
Like, let it sit for a second and see what cells pop up. And then you can decide. What do you think?
Well, she always liked the more colorful things. So I think I'm going to start moving it that way. Let's see. Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you going to do?
I think I'm going to put white in here, and I'm going to
Do it. I don't know, those greens and blues, like, that's really pretty. And then the touch of yellow underneath. All right, and then here, this next part is where it gets really interesting. Hold on one second. One thing I can never get her to do is do the colors under the camera. So you can kind of see there some yellow, some blue, right? And she's going in this little circular pattern. There's some orange. That's very pretty. All right. And this part is what makes this painting like just really cool. All right, using the blow dryer, applying some heat, so hopefully it'll flow a little bit better and loosen up the paint so it's not so cold and constricted. And you can see some cells are starting to form in the white. Like that's kind of cool, like towards the right side of the loopy loop. I don't know what to call it. Swirly swirl. Spinny spin. Spinny spin. And because she is the effervescent tweaker, she loves to tweak. I think we all love to tweak. What one of my coworkers once said, we don't finish a product, we don't finish a project, we abandon as artists. So here she is using the straw to just play with it and see what else she can create. I don't know, that's kind of cool, right? That looks kind of interesting. To me, it's like a spine. Again, sorry for the head. It's hard sometimes. At the time of videotaping, I was just using the GoPro, and so we just had the one camera, and but I don't think you guys care about that. I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna just speed this up because it is like fun to watch slow, but to show you this in real time, to show you this in real time, it's pretty. It seems like it's just kind of tedious. So let me speed it up because I think you'll get the same benefit whether it's slow or fast. Because she's just using the straw here to soften, and you could clearly see what she's doing.
That scoop you bought.
All right, that looks pretty cool, right? Now, Emmy Lou, that's my mom. Emmy Lou was a infinite tweaker, like I said earlier. I just find that kind of funny. Anyway, I have odd humor. But she loved to tweak, and one of the things that she really loved, you know, the way that I love flipping the cup, is she was a swiper. There's a purple video, and that's a big swipey swipe. And there's a couple of other videos that are swipe videos. When I say swipe, it's this technique here that she really liked to do. And it looks like really pretty. So here we go. And you know, you saw that she was going to kind of do it with the tool. But in the end, like the better technique is using the paper towel. Bounty. We use Bounty, the quicker picker upper. If Bounty wants to sponsor me, that would just be awesome. I'll do more swipey swipes. All right, so I'm just going to kind of let you guys enjoy the rest of this, and then we'll look at the final product. So this is kind of the end product. I don't know. I love the green and all of that, and I love this feather looking spine going through the center of it. I don't know that the white swipey swipes were necessary, but you know, sometimes we get lost in our art, and you know, it's still gorgeous. It's still beautiful, and I just absolutely love it. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think. I know my mom would absolutely love the comments. She would love to see them on the other side. And, you know, I hope you enjoyed this. This is what we wanted to do. So you take care, and I will have more stories for you. I think that's what I'll do, like tell stories and show the art. And all right, guys, you take care. It's dangerous out there. Be safe, and like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and take care. Thanks for watching.